Okay, 3 days later, the work is done. Number 2, number 3. I'll open the door. This is the most dramatic of the rooms. So the good thing is we get to choose whatever tile color we want because we have to retile. But it wasn't all for naught. We did quite a bit of yard work to get out of the house with my parents, and I will show you the work. I got rid of all the ground cover. Dad likes barbecues in first class. Housewarming present, Weber grill. And we walk up, still some stuff that's being worked on right now. Hose is still out. And mulch and flowers. And we got the pond with a fountain, all the rocks, all the chip rock, river stones behind it. And it's out in full effect. And the start of the weekend was this guy. Dad, say hi.
Hi there.
Say hi, internet world.